Hello, this is an XAI open software tutorial. We propose a motion correction network for multi-contrast brain MRI method called MC-squared network. The related paper is as follows. The proposed method takes MRI brain images in multiple contrast. The input images are then registered by the registration network and corrected by the motion correction network. This technology utilizes the fact that more than one motion-free image exists among multi-contrast MRI images, enabling efficient motion compensation even on small data. Please refer to the paper for details. We have published the code on GitHub. You can download the related code through the following link. In order to run our published code, you need to install the necessary libraries first. After installing the libraries, you can train the network by running the train.py code. You can run the trained network through the test.py code, and the result images will be saved as a PNG file. The training dataset are not being released. If you want to create a training dataset for network training, please refer to the information in the paper. This concludes the XAI open software tutorial. Thank you.